At American Legion Post 464 in St. Leon, heavy rain left them with a full-out battle over the basement.
And I come up this morning, I thought, this ain't gonna be good.
Post Commander Jerry Mounty says when the electricity went out, the battery backup on a sump pump failed.
I walk into the Legion, and sure enough, it's not good. It's just water, water, water.
One of the guys helping out in the cleanup, Ed Gutzweiler.
I've been back here 43 years and I've never seen wind come through like that and rained out hard.
Ed got a front row seat. His place took a direct hit. Trees down, trampoline tossed, roof, new deck damaged, and not far away at St. Joseph's, the basement was baptized in mud. And down on Trackville Road, Jeff Bullock took this video of a quiet creek that quickly became a force of nature.
Mother Nature's in control. When she wants to do that, you just got to stay out of her way. So
the road was covered for almost 12 hours, blocking in everyone who lives here.
It can change your outlook on life a little bit more.
Back at the American Legion, they took out about 400 gallons of water, so much they might have to file the operation with the Navy. Now, despite all of that water you saw on the road, some people still tried to drive through it, and just around that turn over there, they had to make a water rescue. Some people tried it and got stuck. Fortunately, that's all that happened. Brian Hemrick, WLWT News 5.